Hello guys, it's Nikki One Game, and today I'm gonna be playing Press the Button, known as Will You Press the Button? Let's get right into it. You become as great as musician as your favorite musician, but your favorite musician quits music forever. Well, I can always replace them, but it won't be nice to replace. I can be the substitute. So let's press the button. Remember, guys, if someone doesn't play music anymore, you can be the substitute. Yep, we have definitely got it. On to the next one. I'm in my head right now, guys. So I understand. So I think what it's saying is I'm gonna be near a volcano, but death appeals. I think that's what it's saying. So I don't want that to happen, so I will not press the button. Nope, I definitely blew it. On to the next. You got $100 forever. Both you take, but you always smell rotting meat. I mean, I will not, because I don't want to smell like that. Nope, that is not the right answer. Let's see what's next. You win every game you play, but you can never use a phone. I would rather press the button because I don't need a phone to tell my parents, because I can just tell them when I get home. So I will press the button. Nope. That's not the correct answer either. So, you can become a successful drug dealer and make millions of dollars and never have to worry about low equipment. But the love of your life will get killed by the police. Since they can't teach you. I would rather sacrifice myself for a loved one. I don't want my loved one to die. I mean, who would want the loved one to die? Anyone with me? Yeah, if you do, then never mind. I would not. You can become a... Oh yeah, that's nothing. You can sweep scandals as well, but African dies. Oh, African dies. So let's think about this. So I can sweep scandals at will, but Africa dies. I will not. I won't want any part of our land to die. Then, come on, more people would want to let's get back. You can create robots that will solve the world's problems, but some scientists will steal them for world dimension replayed. I don't need robots to solve problems. I can solve problems my own way. I can count on and all those stuff. I don't need robots to help me solve. Yes, correct. The ding. Anyway, so let's see what the next one is. You can willfully stop time. And any affected as available. No memo. Video cams do not record. How hopeful. But the office kit only lets for what you can and all aware of someone watching you, which you aren't aware of. Instant offended hidden camera keeps recording. ETC. I don't know what to record it. Stop recording. I would want to record. Nope. I was wrong by 100%. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. This is going to be our second one, then our last one. Let's do this. You become filthy rich, but all jaws and black people die. It doesn't matter what color you are. I will still press the button. It doesn't matter what color you are. You don't need to sacrifice yourself because no one in your class is the same color. You don't need to sacrifice yourself by climbing up the school and jumping off and killing yourself. You could be whoever you want to be. It doesn't matter what color skin you have. So I would press the button. No. You can get anything off of the internet for free. Launching shipping. But you can never use the internet for anything else other than internet shopping. Yeah, shopping. That one was shopping too. No, that one's shipping. That one's shopping. I don't know. I don't need the internet to shop. I can go to the store. It's easy. So I would press the button. And I am correct. So that's all we have time for today, folks. See you next time on Nikki One Gamer. And subscribe, like, and goodbye.